This clutch part from a Daewoo bus was completely worn out. But watch how we transform it using a lathe machine. And yes, we even attach a separate grinder to the lathe for a perfect finish. By the end of this video, you'll see how this rough, uneven piece turns shiny, smooth, and perfectly flat again. First, the clutch part is mounted on the lathe machine, and then the grinder is attached to the lathe for the grinding process. This is the second part of the clutch, which has been ground. Then, it is brought close to the grinder's clutch part. Then, during grinding, the person slightly straightens the clutch part with a hammer. And then, the main grinding process begins. As the grinding process progresses, you can gradually see the metal transforming right before your eyes. The rough, dull surface slowly gives way to a smooth, gleaming shine, reflecting light with every turn of the grinders. Initially, the clutch part was being ground while rotating anti-clockwise, and later it was turned clockwise to continue the grinding process. This is done to ensure an even and smooth finish on all sides of the part. As you can see, the part has been transformed. It's now nearly straight and has developed a smooth, shiny surface. This step is done for final finishing. Even after grinding, tiny rough spots remain, which are smoothed out using sandpaper, giving the surface a polished, flawless finish. And after that, the clutch part is finally taken off the lathe machine. And that's it! This is the smooth, shiny clutch part we turned from rough metal into a clean, polished finish. If you enjoy watching machining and manufacturing processes like this, don't forget to follow for more awesome workshop content.